Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name Aldi Franda Putra. My study number 190321100123. I am from Agribusiness Program Study, Agriculture Faculty, University of Trunojoyo Madura. Here I will explain about the form of a business entity and its legality in PT Jasara Harja. Well, just listen to the following videos. Okay, first I will explain the definition of a business entity. A business entity can be defined as a form of juridical and economic organization structured in managing the factors that products, goods, and services for the purpose of seeking profit and contains a group of people who carry out capital processing activities to become a unit in doing business and those who do not do business. Okay, next step I will explain from of business entities. Number one, BUMN, state-owned enterprise. BUMN enterprise in Indonesia, badan usaha milik negara. Formerly known as a state company, is a company that is fully owned mostly or a small part by the government, and the government give control of it. Number two, BUMD regional owned enterprises. BUMD enterprises in Indonesia, badan usaha milik daerah, is a company owned by the local government. BUMD is an independent corporate organization led by a board of directors appointed by local government officials with majority public ownership. Number 3, BUMS private owned enterprise. BUMS enterprise in Indonesia, badan usaha milik swasta. Privately owned enterprises that have all capital in private entities, both from individuals and groups. And number 4, BUSA private business. BUSA enterprise in Indonesia, badan usaha swasta asing, is a private business entity owned and managed by a private party. Private investors are individuals of private national, private business entities, and private government that invest in the territory of the Republic Indonesia. And number 5, joint venture cooperative from various countries. A joint venture is a unitary company or corporation formed between two or more parties with the aim of uniting resources to carry out certain economic activities or projects together. And last, number 6, cooperative business entities. Cooperative are types of business entities consisting of people or legal entities. Cooperative base their activities on the principle of people's economic movement based on the kinship. Cooperative, according to the 1945 Constitution, Article 33, Paragraph 1, is a family business with the aim of welfare of its members. Legality of the company. In the legality of the company, there are three important points. The first, company name. The second, product brand. And the last, trending business license. Well, for the next, I will explain the business entity and its legality at PT Jasara Harja.
Tahukah Anda bahwa setiap harinya 81 orang Indonesia meninggal dunia akibat kecelakaan transportasi? Baik itu kecelakaan lalu lintas di jalan, kecelakaan kereta api, kecelakaan kapal laut, hingga kecelakaan pesawat terbang. Bila dijumlah dalam setahun, sekitar 29.000 jiwa melayang akibat kecelakaan. Dan pastinya jumlah mereka yang cedera akibat kecelakaan jauh lebih banyak lagi. Kini, tahukah Anda bahwa negara kita sesungguhnya menjamin para korban kecelakaan dan keluarga dari mereka yang meninggal berhak mendapat santunan? Jaminan tersebut telah ditetapkan dalam Undang-Undang Nomor 33 dan 34 Tahun 1964. Selama seseorang menggunakan angkutan umum dan memberi karcis yang sah, ia berhak mendapat santunan jika terjadi kecelakaan. Juga pejalan kaki yang tertabrak, ia berhak mendapatkan santunan. Penumpang kendaraan pribadi yang mengalami kecelakaan ditabrak kendaraan lain juga berhak mendapat santunan. Dan keluarga dari korban yang meninggal dunia juga berhak atas santunan. Institusi yang diberi mandat oleh undang-undang untuk menyalurkan santunan adalah Jasara Harja. Karena itu, jika Anda mengalami kecelakaan transportasi atau melihat kejadian kecelakaan, segera lapor ke Jasara Harja untuk mengurus santunan. Cara mengurus pencairan santunan tersebut mudah. Pertama-tama, hubungi kantor polisi dan kantor Jasara Harja terdekat di 29 kantor cabang, 62 kantor perwakilan, dan 63 kantor pelayanan Jasara Harja atau KPJR di kota-kota dan kabupaten-kabupaten di seluruh pelosok Nusantara. Lampirkan laporan kecelakaan dari Kepolisian, PT Kereta Api Indonesia, Syah Bandar Laut, Otoritas Udara, atau Direktorat Lalu Lintas Angkutan Sungai, Danau, dan Penyeberangan. Selain itu, mintalah surat keterangan korban dari rumah sakit, puskesmas, atau dokter yang merawat. Bila korban meninggal dunia, keluarga dapat mengisi formulir keterangan ahli waris dan mensahkannya di kelurahan atau di kepala desa sesuai alamat KTP ahli waris. Serahkan dokumen-dokumen tersebut ke kantor atau loket Jasara Harja untuk diproses dan dibayarkan santunannya. Prosesnya cepat. Bila dokumen lengkap dan memenuhi syarat pencairan, akan dilakukan dalam kurun waktu 1 hari saja. Jasara Harja juga proaktif mendeteksi kejadian kecelakaan, mendata para korban, hingga membantu pencairan santunan bagi yang berhak. Dalam hal ini, Jasara Harja bekerja sama dengan kepolisian, Dukcapil, rumah sakit, BPJS, dan perbankan. Filosofi dari Undang-Undang Nomor 33 dan 34 Tahun 1964 adalah menjamin kehadiran negara di saat warga terkena musibah. Santunan yang disalurkan dan dikelola oleh Jasara Harja bertujuan meringankan beban para korban dan keluarganya. Karenanya, bagi setiap warga negara, siapapun juga, baik korban, keluarga, atau sekedar saksi, laporkan setiap peristiwa kecelakaan dan urus santunan Jasara Harja. Mari bersama-sama kita ikut menurunkan beban para korban.
A company profile. Name of the company, PT Jasara Harja. Line of business, social insurance. Shareholders, all share of company 100% owned by the government of Republic Indonesia. Legal basic of establishment. Government Regulation Number 8 of 1965. uh, Paragraph 2 of Law Number 9 of 1969, Government Regulation Number 39 of 1918, connecting the transfer of the from of General Company of Jasara Harja Loss Insurance into Company Persero. Capital IDR 34 trillion. Paid up capital IDR 8 trillion 500 billion. Date of incorporation, Article of Association of PT Jasara Harja as stipulated in the number 49 date February 28, 1981, draw up before Imam Fatimah, Behavior of Law Notary in Jakarta, which has been amended several times, most recently by date number 16 date Juni 12, 2015, made before Julius Purnawan, Bachelor of Law, Master of Science, Notary in Jakarta. Office network across Indonesia. Head office Jalan HR Rasuna Said Situ, Kuningan, Jakarta 12920. Vision admission. Vision become a trusted company in providing basic protection against accident risks with the best service. Mission providing digitality, integrate basic protection and supported by superior human capital to stakeholders. History 1990